Hey guys, I'm Donnie Stone with Yankee Boating Center. We're out on a Nautique this morning.
I'm Tyler with ADK. We're going to show you the best 3 surf spots on Lake George. I like a surf spot that has protection from the wind. It's going to give us a lot of deep water and plenty of open space.
Nice calm water, early in the morning preferably, later at night, so definitely the time that you're going out. And like Tyler said, definitely deep water as well to form that wave.
The open lake, one of our favorite spots, is just out in the middle over by Dome Island, just so that we have plenty of space to operate. You don't really have to worry about turning, making tight turns during your passes. Just kind of go a straight line for the surfer. It gives us the opportunity to see a lot of the lake and know where boats are coming from, to have an eye on the sky and be able to see all the weather that's coming in around us, and we'll be able to make informed decisions about where we want to operate safely.
That's pretty sick. Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Yeah! Good on you! Here we go! I really like coming up to the Narrows when we have a wind coming from the southeast. You'll see behind us we got shelving rock right here, just kind of protects us from that wind coming through. It's also a spot where you got a lot of nice, just like natural scenery. You're not disturbing any homes. I think it's a good spot to come. I think we're about 40 feet deep here, maybe 35, 40 feet. So you don't really have to worry about disturbing any of the lake bed. Not worried about eroding shorelines. We're having a good time, and we can just kind of make one straight pass up the shoreline. So we're not, making repetitive passes. We're trying to be respectful of both, people's fun and of our natural scenery here in Lake George.
If you're willing to wake up nice and early, you get out in time, this early in the day, you find this boat or your glass. I mean, you can't beat the conditions out here this time of day. And again, right, if you come out middle of the day, there's lots of boat traffic here, but if you time it in the mornings, later in the evenings, at nighttime, you can come out here, to Tyler's point, get more of a scenic view around the surfing, so you don't have like house in the background, but you see nothing but just Adirondack nature and peaceful scenery around you. So, I mean, definitely encourage you getting out as early as possible, or late evenings when there's less traffic on the water, and you can take advantage of a spot just like this. Camera too. That was actually a pretty good loon impression they This section, middle of the day, this is like the main highway. Like you got all this traffic, people coming from the south, whether it's renters, private boats, everyone going up towards the bays or coming to camp out on the islands. So if you're able to get yourself up in the morning or you time it right, you can get to these spots here and actually have this glass. I mean, we have the lake to ourselves right now because we're up out and early, so best time of day and we take advantage of these best locations too. Working on nautiques, and it's been a no-brainer. These are definitely the best on the industry. They're super, well-balanced, well-shaped in here, plenty of space. Even on the smaller boats, you wouldn't tell the size of it because how spacious it is. Handle super well, a little bit heavier too, so they definitely handle the chop and good smooth, ride as you go on the surf. Don't have to worry about constantly maintaining, full grip on the throttle the entire time through it. And obviously put up a great wave and make it super easy for us as captains, give our customers a great experience, comfortable experience, luxurious experience, and obviously killer wave.
Easy to just kind of hop in one and make yourself right at home. Like everyone's kind of comfortable on the boat. You're not having to move people around to access your equipment. Got these huge compartments. All of our ballast is beneath the deck. So each one of these seats has tons of space underneath it. Like we got knee boards in here. We're able to fit 4 pairs of water skis with a slalom ski, backup ropes, backup tubes. We got 3 different surfboards at any given time. We got wakeboards for kids, middle size, even larger adults can get in to the fun. It's like really one size fits all with these boats. Like you can really get a lot done, and it's only a 22-foot boat. It feels huge. I don't know if you get that impression too.
100%. Yeah, even on the GS24, I tell people all the time, like this is a 24-foot boat, but it feels and rides like a 27. You know what I mean? Compared to a lot of the other wake boats out there. So, love them.
It's like the wide beam. Like the surf boats now are so comfortable. Everything on this boat dries super fast too. That's the one thing that I really love is this like what do you call this? The sea decking. We'll be on an appointment with a tour and we have half hour in between. It'll get soaked through and it'll be dry by the time we pick up the next family. Like it's really great.
You're not doing
that way. Easy to keep clean, exactly. Yeah. They stay clean. Look at this water.
Butter?
Glass. Want to get out there?
This looks like goose.
Just in the wave.
Yeah.
Like with this, obviously, it's just like, the person's struggling to get down in that pitch. Like I'm just gonna bump the wave up a little bit without them knowing, or maybe they'll ask about it.
Oh yeah.
Or vice versa, if the person's coming like too fast in the boat, You just slow that wave down a little bit for them, just flatten it out, and like we have like more of a runway out there.
Yeah. It is nice to be able to set the boat up for like a range of different people, you know, like we can get a really small, like very low push kind of wave for like we call it like a grom setting for kids. We've had a lot of success getting, I've had Bradley, 6 years old, dropping the rope this year, like super cool. Like, and it's just so easy to switch between people when you're surfing too. You got like everything kind of just off to the sides. Get one person in, next person out. Everyone's kind of involved in the fun all at the same time. In the sound. That's the thing I like to talk about. Every wind, you got plenty of open space up here. You know, you're fully protected in Northwest Bay. I mean, barring just a straight south wind coming straight from the south, you're pretty much good to go any time of day. You'll have a lot of open space in here. You might see some personal boaters, but a lot of people don't really know that it gets calm all the way up the tip here. So especially if you have a wind coming from the north, sometimes that can be a tough spot or a tough type of wind to try to find a good spot for, but Northwest Bay is prime time for that, any time of day. You say?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, this is definitely one of our most common spots, not only for all the factors that I said as far as like the wind goes, but beyond that, it's a wide bay, it's a long bay, so again, you really don't have to worry about like kind of stealing real estate from other people out here, kind of being right on top of people. There's plenty of space to operate. Again, even if we're up here, we might have all 3 of our boats up in this bay at the same time during different tours, and there's plenty of, again, space and real estate for us to all play around and be respectful of our wakes and stuff like that. Like, one of us could be doing some surfing, one could be doing some water skiing over on the other side, somebody might be ripping around on a tube, or maybe some wakeboarding. And again, there's just plenty of space, pretty calm waters for the most part, especially depending on the wind, like Ty said. And yeah, I mean, this is definitely one of our cheat codes, so don't lock this bay up on us.
Yeah, very hesitant to tell the public about Northwest Bay, but hopefully we see you here. It's a good spot.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. These are our secret spots.
So we hope you see you out there, and please be respectful, watch the shorelines, be safe.
Yeah, aside from that, obviously you guys can give us a ring or book us online here to come out with ADK Boat Tours. To Tyler's point, if you're out there surfing in any of those spots, just make sure you're doing so responsibly and safely, respecting the lake, respecting your wake with other boaters out there. And again, you can check us out online. You can book us. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, so give us a follow. Check out our information, see some of our stuff and work, and come check out these guys if you want to buy your own nautique as well.
Yeah, feel free to go onto our website at yankeeboatingcenter.com. We do demos on the nautiques. If you want to get a little more in depth with them, feel free to stop into the store as well and get you out there on the water.